Hey guys, welcome back to an episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Hey, for you guys first time being here, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And for all you that hang around, thank you. We love you, and we'd love to have all you newbies as part of the family. We got an exciting recipe. Gonna go with avocado toast, but we're gonna do this Reaper style because look. This is Dunkin' Donuts avocado toast. You just wait and see what the Reaper's got cooking for you today. Now, mind you, Dunkin' Donuts, they only have 4 ingredients in their avocado sauce and in their guacamole. Avocados, sea salt, pepper, and lemon juice. But we're cheapening it up a little bit, guys, because somebody said hey, you got away from cheap. So this is some prefabbed classic guacamole mix. $3.49, guys. The sourdough bread, $1.50. 14 slices in there. Averages out to about 11 cents a piece. $3.19. Are you kidding me? $1.50 for some everything bagel seasoning, because that's what they use. All right, but we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna throw our sourdough bread in the toaster. Now, mind you, the bread was so big it wouldn't fit in my toaster. So I had to bust out the toaster oven. Alright? So while that's toasting, we're going to go ahead and whip up this guacamole mix. The only thing I'm going to do different with this, guys, is I was reading the ingredients. It doesn't have any pepper. So the only thing we're going to do to it is add some pepper. Alright? Simple enough. Because it's got avocado, sea salt, jalapeno, which is a little different, lemon juice, okay? So we just gotta add the pepper. But this is simple, guys. And the cost of this stuff, crazy cheap. Let's see, 2 points. Woo! 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Bam. There it is. That's all we're adding to this guacamole. Mix this up. All right. Now you're cooking with bacon, right? Woo-hoo. You can also add bacon to this if you want, guys. We're not going to do the bacon, because they have a bacon one as well. But look at that. That is some fresh stuff, guys. It's good too. Alright. But that's mixed up, ready to go. Now, mind you, take another look at the $3.19 piece of toast. Crazy, right? They don't even put any avocado, any guacamole on there. It's crazy. But while we're waiting on our toast to finish up, see you in a minute. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. Got our sourdough bread out of the toaster oven. See, in the Reaper's kitchen, you can get 2, maybe even 4 for the price of 1. Oh yeah, look at that. Man, that is some amazing stuff there, guys. Nice chunks of guacamole. And it didn't cost you $3.19 for half a piece of toast, you know? But they do make their own sourdough bread, okay? And nothing really special about it. They claim it's special, but all they use is a sourdough starter, which I myself don't have a sourdough starter in my library, but my buddy Vincenzo's plate, he does. Check him out. Alright, but there is our avocado toast. Alright. And we're just gonna sprinkle the bagel, everything bagel seasoning right over top. And guys, that is all Dunkin' Donuts toast is. Uh-oh. Whoops. Mess that up, Reaper. Way to go. Ha! Alright. But, get this cutting board out of the way. Oh. Now, I don't know what you think, guys, but I think the Heavy Metal Chef's avocado toast way better than Dunkin' Donuts. Alright? But, hope you enjoyed the video. Good to be back with you guys. And again, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. And we'll see you next time, guys. God bless. And, me and Gucci, we're going to dive into this. Ciao. Yeah. The Reapers, it's amazing. Dunkin's, not so amazing. You want that, Gunch?
No.
No? Make it Heavy Metal Chef style. You won't regret it, guys. Have a nice evening.